So we're heading off to the Mayon volcano to see the Mayon skyline. But before we do, we're just making a quick stop here at Jollibee's to pick up lunch, and then we'll take that over to the volcano.
Yung cheeseburger, Papa. Cheeseburger. So you have two,
I know.
There must be a party in there.
I know, I saw the balloons.
There's a lot of rice field here.
There's a lot of rice.
There's one coming. That's what I'm thinking.
I see, yeah. Yeah, it's another one on the road. You saw the one cower, look, nutrition, you're so skinny. But you could see his bones. There was one up ahead before, you could see his bones.
Yeah? So that means that's the top one. Apa pasa dito sa taas?
Ano ba kailangan?
Isa yan ang This place is called Baligang. Suggested retail price starts at 39 pesos. Like a few minutes, you will see the volcano from here. There's like all the rice field and then the volcano. Really nice view. That's like all my drawings. That's what I can draw. The rice field and then the volcano at the back. And a tree in a little house.
Oh yeah, you can see it with the clouds. I didn't even notice it. Yeah, that's nice view. Nice. That's
You gotta bring it to the market. Oh, look at that volcano, honey.
Yeah.
It's so foggy. It was like foggy though, like because of the rain. You know, rice field and the volcano.
It's like your picture, I'm sure.
Yeah. Lots of cows. How crazy to drive here.
I
There's no traffic lights, so you just have to like know how to.
You know what's funny though? I didn't realize until you told me there was no lights, because everyone like they find the right of way.
Yeah.
At home there'll be so many accidents because no one would stop. Like,
Manila has traffic lights.
oh yeah, Manila does, yes.
The province, no. It's the soya sauce. That's soya sauce that's popular in the Philippines. Called Silver Swan. On your left or right side. Okay. It's covered a bit covered. Yeah. This is the campus. So
Yeah.
this one.
This one,
Right.
this one. This
that's
one,
my
Marcelo
school.
Romula.
That's my school.
Oh.
High school. That's a big one. Look at the rooftop. Rooftop on the right. This is a morgue. Marcel.
Yeah, I see it.
Oh, there's a cross. Oh, my
So what town is this? Is this
Batan.
Bagong Gimon. May
Gulat
Bangka.
pa lang. You just have to wait.
Asa ka masig intras na sa palaan.
See, look at they're fixing the dike.
Mm-hmm.
Just like we know when the eruption comes, that's all. See all those big rocks
Yeah.
come from the volcano.
Oh, really? Yeah. Well, yeah, I guess it's so close to it.
So you're seeing here, honey, like this is like
True road work.
yeah. This is a province line. This is the line part of the city.
And these roads must take a beating too, because
Yeah,
of these
there's a lot of
trucks.
people who died here, like
Yeah.
when they had a big typhoon.
Yeah.
Typhoon remake, yeah.
It's on the side. See? What the- Yeah, that one.
Next skate place.
Yeah, see, they go there. So if they call her Lola. She already
Unang banggen
yeah.
tawag ko.
But she already died. So they go there and they listen to like a recorded tape of her preaching, like something like that.
Right.
They you know, that's they still go there. Firewoods. Hindi maliligisan paray.
Kawaga.
Yeah, liligisan si Sally.
Saya.
Oh, Bisaya.
So I saw the song on
Yeah, a lot of people go here.
Especially this summer.
Oh, it's like a water park.
They'll be all like going up now. Those rocks those are from the volcano. See, they're like scarecrows down there.
Oh, down there, yeah.
T-shirts.
Yeah.
Those are to like the birds that eat the rice.
Science
Oh,
Park.
they have
Wow.
science park.
As banyak tahun yan.
Hey, we're almost in the foot of the volcano.
Yeah, I see it.
You can tell we went to the volcano, not to the crater, but at least in the
Middle lang sa middle.
The mouth of it.
middle. Pangulo doon. Nangan pagsabi ko, pagkaman sa na. Then if they see you, they're waving. See all these kids waving? Oh, you're gonna see all these kids waving. But all the way up. Wait na.
Ang taon, sa baba man sa lang.
We're here.
Dati, ito pa, tukangan para ka lang. May galing pa rin sila mo. Kaya, di ka man tukangan na.
Wait na, tiniman mo yan. We're almost here.
Ako na rin.
It's here. I can already see. I can read the thing. It says Mayon skyline here on the right side.
Oh, look at the view. That's nice. Oh, breathtaking views, but before we hike up to the top, we're going to take a quick stop to have lunch and going to enjoy this Yum Burger. Mayan skyline. This one's
Raining now.
should be alright though. Is this passing?
Yeah.
Figures we get up here and it starts pouring rain. I just want we caught it. The wind's gonna blow us off the volcano. Wow, this is like quite a view.
Wondering where we
This is where we parked. Here's like, we drove up all this. Which direction would the hotel be at? So hey, what's that smoke over there? You see it? Straight ahead. There's a swing.
It's gone again.
Yeah. You want to go back up while it's not raining? Alright, let's go back up.
Oh, it's still raining.
Is it?
Yeah, yeah.
It's fine. We got shelter here at the Mayan skyline under this, I guess this gazebo looking thing.
Yeah.
So, yeah, the view is like quite breathtaking.
Yeah, we are all the way on the top.
I'm surprised,
And it's
and like, you know, even like getting up the volcano, like just the car trying to get up,
Yeah.
it's like so steep.
So it's really nice. You can see like the whole city, like, and then like it's all green, so it's really nice. So going down will be easier because it's just like
just
just
use the
like
momentum of
freewheeling later on.
the steepness of how high up we are. But yeah, just incredible views. No, it didn't. It's still raining. As soon as you go outside, it'll start. Swaying. Let's walk back up to the whatever it is. What's that building? Yeah, a rest house. I guess it's a rest house. What's in there beyond bathrooms?
Like a flooding area, but I don't know.
Oh, there's an observatory.
Yeah.
I see. We walked down to the bottom. There's a hotel in here.
Sa baba! Even that one. Can you, if I can bring that, that's so nice.
This lake went to its own thing. Drops are great.
Whew, nice. But that's the thing of kita yung dumali, silpi. Kuha niya di video. Yeah. Whew, I'm tired.
It's a good thing my knee's better. You know? Huh? Yeah, it shows you how much more secure I feel on it now. Yeah.
I was just asking Mama if she can go up. Yeah.
It's more me. I'm fine. I'm kidding. Don't worry, I'm good. I got it. What a climb.
Exercise. We did an exercise today, so here.
That's true. This is good.
This is our climb today.
Oh, this is the planetarium.
Selfie. Come here, do we go there? All green. Yeah. Yes, we are here in the Mayon skyline. Up there, and look at that. The clouds are down. I think it's the clouds, I don't know. Here. Mama's already tired, so she's sitting down. That's the planetarium on that side. And I don't know what that one is. And on that side below is the Mayon Rest House and Convention Center. Yan ang background naman ng pulo daw sa baba.
Are, yun ang diyan ko.
I was gonna take a picture of us.
Oh, sure.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, para. Yan. Ayos. We're in the Mayon. We're in the middle of the Mayon.
Where are we?
Yeah, we're in the middle of the Mayon. This is where we're standing is part of the Mayon. So we're in the middle. So this area so far, I think.
But you know, when people will hear that and think, oh, it's low, but
Like all the way down.
I know.
Yeah, we're in the third.
I know. Hey guys. That about ends today's vlog. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next Philippines vlog.